Welcome to Plus. In this video, I will show you how to play Bed Wars for free on YouTube. This is a game available on YouTube Playables. I have played this game, so it is appearing at the top of this page. If I go to youtube.com/playables, you can find Playables in Explore section at the bottom. Or you can go directly to youtube.com/playables and there you can find Bed Wars. If you can't find it, search Prime Publishing YouTube channel on YouTube, and there you'll find this game. And here is how you can play this game on YouTube. Press continue button below this game and the game will start. And now all you have to do is to use your arrow keys to go to this area and break these blocks. It will give you some points. After collecting points, arrows will point downwards. So follow the arrows, stand in this area. It will upgrade your gear, and then here to strengthen your defense, and then go back. Break some more blocks. We can break more blocks, or we can fight the opponent. Let's fight the opponent. After defeating the opponent, break the defense and then break these blocks. Finally, break the bed. After breaking the bed, you will win. The level will be cleared. You will be promoted to the next level. You can buy the upgrades and press battle button to go to the next level. So this is how you can play Bed Wars for free on YouTube Playables. Basically, you have to destroy opponent's bed and protect your bed. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.